WDTN, the station that's on your side. This is 2 News at Noon.
Lace up your shoes. We're going to tell you how running or walking can help the United Way of Preble County. All right, if your running shoes and you can handle 3.1 miles, then you are ready for the United Way of Preble County Henny Penny 5K Walk Run. Now, Sarah Morrison is here to talk to us. You are part of the Greater Dayton, United Way Greater Dayton area, but specifically this is for those folks who live in the Eaton, Preble County area. And if you'd like to come, if you don't live there, that's fine too. But Henny Penny, that's a major corporation in that area, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Henny Penny Corporation is in Preble County. It's located in Eaton off of Route 35, but they sponsor this event for us, for United Way, the Greater Dayton area. Annually, they're a huge champion of our organization, and it's a community-wide event. It's open to anyone and everyone who wants to come out, enjoy the weather, get some exercise.
And do the 3.1.
That's right.
And it's so easy to do that because what they usually do is give you about a mile and a half up and a mile and a half back. And before you know it, it's all over.
Exactly.
It's a great way to shed some pounds and, get a little sweat going. And
definitely.
Yeah.
I actually ran the course yesterday myself. So, yes, the course is, I'm attempting to be ready, but the course is fairly easy, not too many hills.
Okay.
It's very scenic. You get to go through our famous Fort St. Clair Park in Eaton. So, yeah.
Now, but there's a reason behind it. I mean, we're doing the exercise and we're getting, lowering cholesterol and blood pressure and all that, but there's a focus here for the services for the United Way of Preble County.
Yes. All proceeds from the 5K tomorrow will benefit United Way of the Greater Dayton area. And United Way can reach out to so many people in the community through our network of over 70 partner agencies. And I cannot thank Henny Penny enough for organizing and putting on this event for us.
Now let's talk about the kinds of things that this offers, the proceeds. When all you wonderful people sign up and show up tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock at Eaton High School. Did I give them the information?
Yes, exactly.
What exactly? Whom will it help?
It benefits people across the Dayton region. United Way focuses on making a positive impact in people's lives in Greene, Montgomery, and Preble counties.
Okay, let's talk specifically about some of the services, such as?
Some of our partner agencies include Community Action Partnership, GraceWorks Lutheran Social Services, the YMCA, 70 of them, so I could go on and on about the services.
That lets people know exactly that, the kinds of things that are, and the kinds of folks that those organizations can help, especially the other 70, So let's see that again, Eaton High School, if you have to show up at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Registration begins at 7.
Okay, so we want you to show up
early.
at 7. For more information, will you be able to register on Facebook or?
You can go to hennypenny.com and get registration information there.
All right.
Or just show up at Eaton High School at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Okay, we're good. Thank you, Sarah Morrison.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Okay.